Hey everyone, today we're gonna see Mumbai street food Maggi recipe. Let's get into it. That was yummy. So I saw this recipe from a YouTube video, which I'm going to share in the description. So it's from a fast food. Directly, they have pictured a videographed that, and so this is a very simple recipe, and I just replicated it, and it turned out to be so good. So you're just going to be adding Maggi into a boiling water, and make sure it's just going to be boiling for just 2 minutes, and no, it should not be overcooked. It should be as dry as possible. So I'm just going to be boiling this, and you will need only cabbage, carrot, onion, tomatoes for this, not much. If you need, you can add chili powder and salt, of course, just for those vegetables. So if you see now, it's been cooked perfectly, and I'm just going to switch it off now and just going to strain it. After straining it, I'm just going to add some oil to it so that it just comes like separately, and it's not going to be sticking to each other. Once this is done, these are veggies as I mentioned before, and spring onions is just for garnishing, and this is all going to be done so fast. I'm just going to do everything on high flame, add oil, onion, tomatoes, and just salt for a minute or two, and then add the veggies, which is just cabbage and carrot. I'm added here. You can add your own choice veggies, and yeah, just salt it for just 2 minutes or so, not more than that. Add some chili powder, chili flakes if you have, salt for these veggies, and the Maggi masala. Once this is all added, just saute for just 1 minute and add the strained Maggi to this, and yeah, just mix it up until it just gets mixed up completely, and it's all done. Don't forget, make it with high flame. Once this is done, just add cheese, spring onions, or any other garnishing items of your choice, and it's all done. Hope you guys like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.